morning. Welcome to my vlog, Yorme23. How are you today? Very good? Magrabi, how are you?
Habibi.
We're going to Dubai Bowling Center. Semi-final games. Dubai Duty Free Tournament. Shout out to all my big boss. Sanjay Lama, Boss Shapik, Boss Takachan, Madam Hazel, Madam Nori, Madam Ibet, and Madam Joy Octoso, Duty Manager of Ship A, Concourse A. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care always. Shout out Grace Catering, Lover Boy, Albert Sarts, Katropang Miguel, Melvin from Toblerone, Ryan Lopez from Merchandising Department, and Sir Roger. Hi Ra, how are you? Hi Mom, HR, morning. Bhai, क्या हाल है भाई? अच्छा है भाई. Hi, how are you my friend? Namaste, Jojo Lapa.
Good luck, man. Good luck.
Sistra, morning. How are you? Morning.
Hey, Gordon.
Oh, Mark, shout out to Spare Albert. Nandiyan na Spare Albert.
Hey, Albert. Kamusta na?
Galing vacation.
Ano na? Kamusta?
Jojo Lapa.
Wala pa.
Video to. Rakam Wahed, Concourse A. Number one.
Hello, you're Miss Deadman, right?
Sandali, happy video ko lang to. Picture ako medyo. Morning. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.
Good.
How are you? Good. Mia.
Welcome, Sid.
Kat, how are you? Morning. Hi. Ayaw magpaano. Wala, morning. Cash office lang ang sakalam.
Yes, office.
Rakam Wahed. Kaway ka naman dyan.
Si Yorme.
Kaway ka, ma'am.
Yorme! Ano yun for the vlog?
Aywa.
Aywa.
Boss, how are you? Sleepy? Magrabi, Assalamualaikum. Marhaba, kay Palal. Kay Sokol, kuis? Rakam Wahed, Magrabi, Mia.
Yorme number 1. How are you?
Boss Raymond from Al Maktoum. Sistra. Lady Gaga.
Brilliant, how are you?
Lady Gaga. Boss, how are you? Boss Paolo, morning.
Yorme number 1.
Rakam Wahed.
Subscribe Yorme.
Don't forget,
Don't forget.
for 1 million subscriber.
1 million subscribers. 1 million viewers.
Bye.
Hi.
Morning, how are you?
Morning.
Good?
Fine. All okay? Hi.
Uncle Carl, shout out. Happy birthday. Stay healthy, stay pretty boy. Happy birthday to you.
On behalf of someone else's automatic, the whole team will be disqualified. No question asked.
Greg, how are you? Good? Boss, morning.
Hoy, maganda ka pa sa morning.
Morning, HR. Bertan, Kak Dela, karasok. Mambo Hakuna Matata.
How are you?
हाँ भाई, how are you?
How are you?
अच्छा है ठीक है?
Good, ठीक है.
नंबर वाहिद.
How are you, brother? Good?
So out of 24
Namaste.
teams playing this morning, only the top 7 will proceed to the final round. Scheduled on June 6. The mistake to change the date of finals from June 4.
Sister, how are you?
On June 6.
Good? Boss, morning. Shout out Lancome. How are you?
Mabuti.
Morning HR, how are you today? Good? Team Viva Max, number Wahid.
Coming?
Number Wahid.
Okay. See you.
Tawagan mo GA para?
Mga sakalam.
Sa Kalam, Viva Max!
How are you, man? Good?
I don't know. I'm here.
Good mo lang, sakalam. Shout out sa MTV Bikers.
Okay, ano, Yormi ka, no?
Okay.
Out kay Tonyo.
Hey, kaway-kaway dyan. Pag may time. Rick Rock, shout out. Number one.
Number 1.
Hello, kuya!
Namaste.
Namaste ka! Kamusta ka?
Assalamualaikum. Arbab Kalap. Kepalal. Tamam, alhamdulillah. Mambo, how are you?
Good luck.
Yun o.
Dormer.
Shout out dyan sa mga tropa mo.
Sa mga tropa ko dyan sa Angeles. Ayos lang ako dito.
Shout out to all my managers. Ship A, Ship B, Ship C, Ship D, and to all HR department. Stay safe, stay healthy. Enjoy your life. Take care. Hello to all my friends. Ian Cas Office, Carlos, Sherwin Wines, Andrew, Reggie Armani, Paring Dwight, Paring Albert, Romel AS Cas Office, and Kevin, Kuya Ryan, RB Building 166, Kuya Kim, pagaling ka. And also, my friends, duty officer, Sir Jonathan Liwanag, Sir Anil, Madam Banji from Terminal 2, Ma'am Agnes, Ma'am Nelly, Ma'am Milibent, Sir Bench, Sir Sushil. Stay safe always. Stay healthy. Thank you very much to all my managers for my wonderful bowling tournament of Dubai Duty Free number 1. And also thank you very much to all staff of Dubai Bowling Center. Best regards to all Emirates staff. Dinata, Marhaba, Transguard, and to all airport staff in Al Maktoum Airport. Hello to Melvin from Toblerone, Joel Dulo, Joen from Bulgari, Dan Badagwas from Ilocos Sur. Regards to all OFW in UAE and to all Transguard, Innovate staff, RCG, Royal Caribbean Group. Hello to my friends. Concourse A, Shipsy, Amin from Morocco, Joheb from Nepal, Muhammad from UAE, April Jan, Ron Chua, Sir James, Louis ng Chanel, my roommate, Dominic Solis, Anthony Cortez, from Al Maktoum, Edgar Brescia, AS Concourse B, Sandro, LeBron James, Junjun from Terminal 2, Janice, Rashid from Security Department, AI Duo, Sir Mike,
Viva Max. Second is from lane number 24, Bowling Dominato. Lane number 13 is our third place for the first set. Lane number 14, Arrival Super. Number 4. Lane number 23 is Top 5, Bulldogs. Then lane number 18 is number 6, Bullets. Larry, it's your ball. And our top 7 for the first set is lane number 20, Rick Rock Bowlers. So we're going to announce the top 7 later on the second set. For the meantime, please be reminded that only the official players are allowed inside the approach. Again, let me repeat, only the official players are allowed inside the approach.
Hello, Ma'am Jasmine, Duty Manager of Concourse D. Stay beautiful. Take care always.
Natumpa, boy. Natumpa eh. Ha?
Guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe. Yorme 23 for 1 million subscriber. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Be happy. Enjoy your life. Ma'asalam.